so, like, I'm shaking, like, I don't know, especially when she poured the water and the fire just increased. I switched it on and I said to Mbadi, why is this thing smoking up? So we're like, okay, let's check. Maybe it's the fan that's causing the fire. Then I opened it now, third time, and there was fire. Good morning. What are you looking at?
I'm just looking.
My niece is like, can I tell you it's like 1 o'clock? Okay. Alright. My dad is telling me that if my car doesn't start, I should take another car. But anyway, I was still telling you. So it's 1 o'clock. 12:12.
Yeah.
She woke up like 2 minutes ago.
I woke up an hour ago.
Yeah. Do you believe her? Do you believe her?
I woke up an hour ago.
But like, I was around here.
I pinky promise you, I woke up an hour ago.
I ain't touching your pinky.
My pinky is gorgeous.
What? Anyway, black girl problems. Weave stays everywhere. I can't with this hairstyle. And I'm gonna go to praise team practice or worship team practice. There's a bump. There's a bump at the back of my head. It hurts so much. I wonder what's going on. Maybe my hair was pulled too much. I can't deal with this. Imagine it's only been a week and I'm already here. So I'm walking around the house aimlessly right now because rehearsals have been pushed back by like 30 minutes. So now I don't know what to do because I was ready to leave now at 12:30 for 1. I don't know what I'm going to do to kill time. Maybe I should eat, but I really didn't feel like eating. I was going to eat on the go. Anyway, let me watch TV. Hey! My favorite show is on. Yay!
So that's what I'm doing.
A few moments later.
Change of plan. My sister did what she does best. Called me at the last minute when I'm supposed to leave and tell me that she needs me to bring something for her and stop at shops, send me like a whole grocery list. So instead of watching Friends, I'm gonna go with Bazi. Can you come close the gate for me, please? I hope I'm not leaving anything behind.
Is the gate open?
No. Oh, and I don't have car keys on me. Okay, I'm here. I'm just quickly dropping these things off because I have to now rush to church. I haven't called her yet, actually. I should do that. I gave her things. I've got my donut. I'm not going to eat it now though. Just put it aside. And let me go if I'm late. Hi guys! Wait, my angle's wrong. Hi guys! Hi bestie, you look so pretty. Thank you. Hi everybody else. I ain't gonna touch you. I'm just kidding.
Wow.
We look really too.
Okay, look at them, they look pretty. This is Tifo, and this is Snarrow.
I'm a red.
Open no, go. Look, she's running to the wrong person's running to me. Hi, Remo, yes, the birthday girl. Happy belated birthday to you. She's looking at me so weirdly. She's like, what are you doing? Come, let's sing happy birthday to you, Tando. Happy belated birthday to you. Happy belated birthday to you. Happy belated birthday, dear Tando. Happy belated birthday to you. How old are you? 5. Guys, no way. She said she's 5. Look at how tiny she is. 5. Susama, is she correct? I thought she was 4. Tando Nangak. 5. Okay. Hi, Siri. Excuse, I was excited about it. Hi, Sis Julie. I missed you.
I love you with the hair.
I don't like it.
Remember when he was the drummer?
Yeah, I bought this shirt. Umqoma.
I bought this shirt to Kumka.
I'm serious.
I'm with the drama.
Yes, the year I decided that I'm gonna say yes to my bought this top. Look at that, everything is on it. Like everything. The words, the ingredients, everything on this tiny little box. It's so cute. And she's got a Marmite too. I thought I saw, oh, that's paper!
It's not Marmite.
What is it?
It's, what is the real name?
Okay, this feels wet. Why is this wet? Kids, why is this wet? Pass me the other one. What's this? What's this? Oh, okay. I have no idea what this is, but it's like a Marmite type of bovril. Ooh, okay, thanks guys. Oh, these are so cute.
Why patience? Who can you vote? What?
And then Rona, you're feeling your
Well said.
What is happening here? My fault.
One, two, three.
Minister, let's not render an item. Let's minister, invite them in, read a scripture, sing a new song unto the Lord. Let them be part of it, and let's do our part. It doesn't matter. Lapha ku Ezekiel uthi uNkulunkulu Ezekiel ubatshele ne ukuthi ngithi ukuthi bayakulalela noma abakulaleli, like let it not affect your heart condition. You understand? Yes, but do that because we are Levites. We are there to lead them to worship. How they respond is not up to us, but we are there too. So let's do our part. Let's go into the scriptures. Whatever the songs esizenzile, you hear the message, but the theme I'm hearing is sing a new song unto the Lord.
We are now done and it's home time, so that's where I'm going. Let me make some brownies.
A few moments later.
Call mommy! Something's going fire! Mama! I'm thinking it's the oven, but I don't know how to put it out. I switched it off. I switched off everything, but now the fire's got kind of juices there.
Amanzi.
Amanzi, Lana. They want to cause more fire.
Amanzi.
What's it, Lana? Just throw.
I'm just stop the shit.
Yeah, he's the shit and Kushana la. I turned off everything. So change of plans. The oven. Gosh, I got such a fright. The oven. There was a fire. There was a fire and we didn't know what to do. They had to pour water and stuff. But it looks like all the things, you know, when they were cooking over the weekend, the sauces dripped into the thingy and everything caught the thing. So I'm so, like, I'm shaking, like, I don't know, especially when she poured the water and the fire just increased. like I'm trying to calm down. I almost screamed for the fire brigade, guys. Oh my gosh. I switched it on and I said to Buddy, why is this thing smoking up? So we're like, okay, let's check. Maybe it's the fan that's causing the fire. So now I'm checking, I'm preheating here, making sure everything is fine, and I thingy, what you call it, calmed down. Yeah, it calmed down. And then I opened it again and it was smoking and I was like, okay. Then I opened it now, third time, and there was fire. Last time that happened to me, I think I was 13, and I left a pot of oil on the stove and it caught fire and it blew up onto the seat. Oh my gosh, it just brought back that bad memory. It's just a weird evening. So I think, because I'm trying to end my vlog. Sorry. On that note, let's close there. This is where I'm going to end my vlog for tonight. Good night.